Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to make money off of money you've already spent. Stay with us, I'll show you how to do it. Fetch, that's what we want to load right there. There we go. Now this is a program called Fetch. You're going to scan receipts, cash register receipts for money you've already spent. Very easy to do. You can see I've got 18,855 points up there. So let's see what we can do here. If you click on your points, it goes over here and shows you all the different cards, gift cards you can get, sweepstakes, cash cards. You can get a MasterCard with money on it. See, I can get up to $10 now, but you can get up higher ones just by keep going. Retail, Adidas, Advanced Auto Parts, Albertsons, Amazon's the one I like. I have already gotten two $50 cards from Amazon from Fetch here. Look at all these. Look at hundreds of them there. Walmart, Under Armour, Total Wine and More, Target, entertainment, movie theater tickets, Apple, Dave & Buster's. Just there's hundreds and hundreds of different places you can get these receipts from. Entertainment, restaurants, there, Applebee's, Bahama Breeze, Baskin Robbins. Just there's so many places you can get stuff from. Travel, pets. Look there, you can get pet supplies. You can get dog food, cat food, whatever. Okay? So if you want to pick one, I like Amazon. Go over here to it. Amazon, there we go. With my 18,000 points, I can get $10 card, but for 28,000, you can get $25, or 55,000, you can get a $50 card. What you want to do is go over here and click what you want right there. Get my card. If you click on that, it's going to go in and ask you to log in to your Amazon account, and it will send the card over to your account. So it's pretty easy to do. Let's go back home. Now you get points for every receipt you photograph and send up to them, okay? But look at this. If I want to use IMS between these dates, I get 5,000 points for getting that. Go back over here and Pepsi Cola, look at here. If I spend $5, I get 800 points. And it tells you excludes 20-ounce bottles, but there's all kinds of stuff here. Look at all this stuff you can get. Pizza, DiGiorno's Pizza. Spend $16 and get 2,500 points. Points add up quick. But what I've been doing also is, see where it says play? Go click on that. And if you play one of the games here they recommend at certain levels, you get points. Look at here. On this one, I have gotten 20 points for the 4th level, 26 points, 32, 48, 68. Look at here. I'm up to level 220. I get 272 points. It just adds you right into my points count up there. I've been playing that game called Water Sort Puzz. I've been playing Parking Jam. See all the points I've gotten on that one? I've been playing that Floral Sort, which is a match 3 things type thing, and I've got a lot of points there, so it adds up pretty quick. Been playing this Master Goods 3D where you match things, and I've gotten 4, 6, 8, 1,270 points off that. Come back over here. Points activity. You go over and set up your account, okay? I'm not going to show you all my account, all right? But anyhow, notifications. Play for a chance at $500 target card. Woo! All kinds of stuff. Refer a friend. You get 4,000 points. The friend gets 2,000 points. Just email them or text them, either one, right there on those little buttons. Pretty easy thing to do. To get points for your digital receipts, you can go up here and say Amazon, log into your Amazon, and it'll check for receipts that you've got up there in your account, and it will scan them for you and add them into your point score. All right. Now, if you want to scan the receipts you've already got, I'll show you how to do that right here. This will scan the e-receipts for you, but since I don't have any, click that little camera right there. Click on that. Right there, we're going to go scan a receipt, and it will show you how to do it. You want to be sure you get the name of the store. Okay, see here, the name of the store. That's a restaurant. Total amount spent, and the date. All three of those have to be in there. So center it up on it like that and say, snap the picture. You see, it says you got store, date, and total, so it's all there. Just right there, and it sends it to them. And it'll add it to my points. It's uploading. My internet must not be working too good right now. There we go. It sent it up. See there, I got 25 points. Now, if remember, you can say snap another, and you can go snap another receipt. I'm not going to snap another one right now. But if you go back home and some of these things, you buy something at Temu, for every $100 points for every dollar you spend. Sam's Club, for every dollar you get 20 points. You can find things here that you are going to buy anyway, like something like Purex laundry. Spend $8, you get 1,000 points. So you see how it all adds up? So go check it out. It's on the Play Store. It's called Fetch, F-E-T-C-H. And you go back home. See, I got 18,880 points. It gave me 25 points, didn't it? But I've been playing a lot of these games and getting a lot of points too. So go check it out. I think you're going to like this. Here it is in the Play Store. It's called Fetch, America's Rewards app. Go check it out. Now it says update here because I already have it, but it'll say download. Download. It'll install it for you. Go set up your account. Pretty easy to do. Email, name, address, that kind of stuff, okay? And if you collect some cards, leave me a comment. Let me know which ones you got. I've been using Amazon, but like I said, I've gotten 2 of the $50 cards, so it does work. I know that. So go check it out. I think you're going to like this. If you have another one you're using for scanning your receipts, leave me a comment below. Maybe I haven't tried it yet. I'll go get it and we'll check it out. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.